So YouTube, check it out. There's a big ass blizzard. There's about 7-8 inches down right now. It's 11 o'clock in the morning, and they're talking about that it's gonna end, the blizzard's gonna end like around midnight tonight. So we might expect another few inches. So I decided to jump in my Cherokee. It's got 31s lifted on a 3.5 inch lift. And I've been cruising around pulling people. Hopefully another 6-7 more inches come down, so I could keep driving around and stuff. Oh, I got a headlight out. Fuck. Either way, this is what I've been up to. Just nothing, no more shootings or anything like that.